I want to take a moment to share something truly special with you. Something that's going to deeply resonate with so many of you out there who, like me, you guys are juggling the responsibilities of a full-time job, the joys of motherhood or fatherhood, just parenthood in general, and the relentless pursuit of your YouTube dreams. But before we dive in, I want to extend my heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of you who's hit that like button and who's smashed that subscribe button on any of my videos. Your support means the world to me, and together we're building an incredible community. And also, thank you to everyone who's either donated and or purchased a copy of my book. Now that's been tremendously helpful, and those links can be found in the description below. Now let's get real about this journey. Believe me, I understand the struggle. See, balancing a 9-to-5 grind, being a loving father to my 1-year-old daughter, and striving to be a content creator sometimes feels like trying to juggle flaming swords while riding a unicycle on a tightrope. It's tough, it's challenging, but let me tell you, it's also one of the most rewarding things that I've ever done. Now, coming up with ideas, finding the time to study, filming, and editing these videos, it's a process and a time-consuming one at that. Many of us find ourselves burning the midnight oil just to squeeze every second out of the day. And then there's the eternal struggle of figuring out the best time to drop that video, right? Just hoping it'll make that splash we've been dreaming of. But here's the reality we've all experienced. That feeling of uploading a video we've poured our heart and soul into, only to see it not performed as expected. It stings, doesn't it? You might be thinking, is this even worth it? Well, my friends, let me tell you, it absolutely is. To all of you who are feeling discouraged, especially fellow parents who've been battling to find time for work, their children, and their passions, I feel you. But here's the one thing. Success isn't just about the destination, it's about the journey. Every hiccup, every stumble, it's all part of the process. It's the grind that molds us into the individuals we need to become to achieve our goals. And speaking of understanding, I truly get it. I understand those loving fathers who want to be there for their children, and I understand people working jobs that they truly just don't love. You see, corporate America can sometimes feel like modern day slavery, just draining your soul with negativity from coworkers who just don't get it. But here's the silver lining. Creating on YouTube is our escape. It's our way to break free and reclaim our time and freedom to pursue what we're truly passionate about. See, throughout my journey, I've come across incredible small YouTube channels from both men and women, and I made it a point to encourage them by liking and commenting on their videos. It's amazing how even the smallest acts of support can go such a long way. And together we can uplift and inspire each other. I remember a channel I stumbled upon not too long ago. It was ran by a young woman who shared her journey as a single mother. She was raising 3 children while pursuing her dreams on YouTube. Let me tell you, her content, it was raw, honest, but it was filled with genuine love, and I couldn't help but admire her resilience and determination. See, it's stories like these that remind me why I started this channel in the first place, to make a difference no matter how small. Let me take you behind the scenes of my daily grind. So first, I wake up at 3 a.m. every morning. I hit the gym and then dive into scripting, recording, and editing before heading out to my 9-to-5 gig at 7 a.m. Night times is dedicated to staying up late, crafting videos, and nurturing this incredible community we built. Yes, it's a challenge. Yes, it means sacrificing sleep. Yes, emotions can be a roller coaster, but you know what? It's all worth it. I want to share a little personal victory with you. Earlier this year, I had one video that surpassed 16,000 views and brought in over half of my total subscribers. It's amazing how just one video has that potential to be able to give you 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours required to get monetized. See, that's the power of creating content that resonates with your audience. So my friend, keep going, keep perfecting your craft, keep sharpening your skills, and keep creating better and better content. Remember, no matter how large a channel grows, everyone starts at 0 views and 0 subscribers. It's about remaining patient and persistent on your YouTube journey. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your channel be. But with dedication, hard work, and a genuine passion for what you do, you can achieve greatness. I've also encountered channels run by individuals who faced adversity in their lives, whether it be health issues, financial struggles, or personal setbacks of all types. See, these channels, they've become sources of inspiration for me. And just seeing them overcome their challenges and continue to create amazing content, that encourages me to push through my own obstacles. It's a testament to the human spirit and the power of resilience. So my fellow dream chasers, I want to leave you with a couple of questions to ponder. Are you willing to make the necessary sacrifices to achieve your goals? Are you ready to manifest your dreams and turn them into reality? Are you willing to endure the hardships of today for the incredible rewards of tomorrow? Because let me tell you, helping people become the best version of themselves is what I truly love to do. It's my purpose in life, and the videos I create allow me to do just that. To all of you out there, whether you're a content creator, a loving mother or father, or someone navigating the corporate world, remember this: you've got this. Embrace the power of adaptability, learn new tools, and harness the benefits of AI and automation to your advantage. Yes, the job landscape is changing, but you can be on the cutting edge. Let's break free from the chains of modern day slavery, create the life we desire, and make the most of our precious time. Because every moment counts, and together we will rise, achieve, and inspire others to do the same. Thank you for tuning in, and as always, keep chasing those dreams. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay motivated, stay inspired, and keep being the incredible individuals you are. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. We're on this journey together, and the best is yet to come. Till next time, I love you all. Peace.